Hi guys, my name is Lindsay. I am a makeup artist from Melbourne. This is my first tutorial I've made since I was like maybe 17 and they were cringy to say the least. I just wanted to show you guys how I do winged liner because I do have quite hooded eyes. So it can be quite tricky. So keep watching if you want to find out how I do winged liner with hooded eyes. So I'm gonna zoom you right on in. So just to explain what hooded eyes are, as you can see when I open my eyes you can't see any of my eyelid. So this skin hanging over the top, that's the hood. So the first thing you want to do is figure out where to put your wing. The best way to figure it out is I grab my narrowest makeup brush. So you place it underneath your eyelashes on your bottom lash line and you just follow that line out, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw a really quick boom. Now the next thing to do is we want to join the end of this line to our fold. So we want to draw a straight line across here. So it's going straight across. You'll notice I'm not going down with the angle of the liner, I'm going straight across. How did I already get eyeliner under my eye? You want to raise your eyebrows so that you kind of stretch out that line. And what you're going to do is you're going to go straight down. But as you can see, closed, it's an angle. Open, it's a straight line. Now all you need to do is draw your liner from the inner corner to the outer corner. And then you'll see that when my eye is open, that wing is straight. But we've got this little dip. So all you do is just extend this line out, still keeping it in that downward motion. And all I'm going to do is just go in and fill it in. You've got the basis of your eyeliner. Go ahead and tweak it however you want to. I feel like I need it a little bit thicker just in this bit to kind of give it a better line, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, so now you can see my eyes are closed. It's a pretty angular eyeliner. When my eyes are open though, I look like I've got a normal freaking eyeliner shape. Guys, this is the final look. I've just added some mascara, little half lashes, and obviously done the rest of my face. But if you do try this, please tag me on Instagram. My Instagram is lindsay_iris_MUA. And let me know if you enjoyed this tutorial. I will make more if you liked it, but if you didn't like it, maybe I won't. Stay safe. Be nice to each other. What do you say when you finish these things? I don't know. Later, skater. Wow.